your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm.
All right, so welcome to another property tour. My name is Mashari, and today I am in Ngong Road and I am near Junction Mall. We're actually around 50 to 100 meters from the Junction Mall, and I want us to tour this 3-bedroom apartment that is coming up in this project called Plumeria. Now, the good thing about it is that it starts from 13.2 million Kenya shillings, and I just want us to go through it, check the good, the bad, everything it has to offer. We are thoroughly going to go through this so that we can understand whether you're getting value for your money. Now, I do not want to speak a lot. I don't like subpar things, so I want us to get straight to the video and see what it has to offer. All right, so let's get to it.
You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is.
Okay, just like I said, this is a 3-bedroom apartment and it's 2 en-suites, so meaning it has the master bedroom en-suite and an extra room en-suite, so that means the other one is a shared common room. Now, starting off, I want us to start at the entrance. So you have this beautiful foyer. This is the space that you're able to see once you come in. So you have storage space here. You can keep some things here like keys, helmets, some decors, just like you can see right there. And as you're coming in, you're met up with this picture. So I like the staging of how they've done this. Now, coming this way, this is where you're met by your kitchen. Now, I like the color choice that they have gone with, which is white and the gray tiles. You know, this finish, it matches appropriately. Now, this is I'm not sure what color that is, but you can see these appliances come with the property. So you have your smoke extractor there, you have more storage there, so you're not short of storage. Now here you have your double door fridge, so that space can comfortably fit that. Now I like the material that they have gone with in terms of the elegance of kitchen materials, especially the sinks, the showers. That is not a kitchen material, of course, but I just want to mean like silver is usually the common thing that most people go with, but to touch up on a little bit of elegance, I like to see dark colors. You know, like you have this one which is dark gray, you also have the black one, and you also have the gold one. Now those speak elegance, those speak class. Anyways, you have a lot of space, a lot of lighting right there. The cabinets, well done. White was a great choice for this particular property, and you have a lot of space generally, so you don't have to worry about that. So the kitchen is what you're met as you're coming in. Now here, this is optional. This is optional. It's actually written there. You can choose to have it there, or you can choose to not have it there. A lot of people might want to leave it out, basically want to use this space for something else. You have the capability of choosing whether you want it or not. Now here you are met by your dining area. This dining area, it's quite spacious, and the lighting, I like the lighting that comes with it. Makes the place look homey, look lovely, because the warm colors, they really add a touch to a property, to an apartment, to your home. So this choice of colors, it's exquisite. Now this is your dining area, and that's where you're going to sit with your family as you are having your dinner, your breakfast. Yeah, so you can also choose something about that place, it's being optional. You can choose to put like a breakfast bar, whereby you just add something with a space below it, so that you can just eat your breakfast there, maybe with your family, or when you're in a rush, you don't have to come to the dining area. On that space you have your wall art, and right after all that, this is what you're met by. So this is going to be your living area, and you also have a balcony to make sure you're getting a ton of light in your apartment. So the color or the choice of couches that they have gone with, it's excellent. A lot of light coming in. the chandelier, excellent. And this is your wall unit. I see this is a 75-inch TV. For the wall unit, it's also optional. You can choose to have it in or you can have it out. You're also going to get a discount once you're getting that one. Now, the quality of the finish, I'd like to comment on that. In terms of the color, the paint they have used, it's excellent. I like to check for the small details, the color between two areas whereby one surface is dark and the other surface is light. I don't like to see a mix of that or just leaving paint on the tile. So from what I'm seeing with this property specifically, it's excellently done. Now, this is going to be your living area. You have some wall arts over there, some lighting to complement that space, and this chandelier looks excellent, doesn't it? The choice of light again, it's marvelous. And this is going to be your balcony. Just like I was telling you, you are very close to the Junction Mall, and the good thing about this is that you also have the field that is coming up right. It's not far from here, so this is a good opportunity to have this apartment as a business. You can choose to have it as an Airbnb, because we know football is coming very soon, so you can maximize on that with this property specifically. You have the convenience of a mall right there. That is another added advantage. Now, coming back into the house, you can choose to take this design as well. Have this is not a live plant, but you can choose to have a live plant. And this is the view that you're getting from your balcony, a huge balcony to add on that. And that is going to be your living area, your dining area, and your kitchen area. Again, I want to compliment the lighting that they have done there. And now coming this way, this is where you're going to your bedrooms. Now, like I said, you have 3 bedrooms, but 2 are en suite. So that means this is the common washroom that is shared with this bedroom. Now, firstly, let's start with this. Let's start with this washroom specifically. It is spacious. It is shared, and also the good thing that I have been told is that in terms of the water, in terms of heating it, you're not going to be using your electricity. You'll be using your generators, and that means this whole property has a generator. So that means you're not getting any lights out. You have your vanity area there. It's a huge sink and some storage space down there, so you can be able to keep some things. Again, this is very huge. And right here is where you have your shower cubicle, your toilet seat there. It is excellent. It is huge, and the design of the door, it is lovely. It is excellently done. Now, in terms of the shower cubicle, what I was talking about, the shower, adding a touch of elegance to whatever you're bringing. Silver is what most people choose, but if you want to increase the form of elegance, add a touch of elegance, you want to go with darker colors. Now, for me, this would be the first choice would be a black one. Second choice, maybe gold is a bit shouting, but for this is also great. It's a dark gray vibe, and it's great shower head. You have your storage space there where you can put your soap and other things. So this room specifically, this washroom specifically, it is great. Now, straight up, this is where you have your first bedroom. Now, this can be the guest bedroom. It can also be your office, but it is huge. The lighting, well done. You have views of the mall again, and the windows are big, so you have a ton of lighting. Now, you have a lot of space there. You have some cabinets over there. The choice of color, again, it is great. It is excellent. Now, some of the mistakes that I would like to point out, for people to also check, is the way you finish on the paint. But I'm certain they aren't done with this, with the whole building yet. So they could also look at that. But anyways, it is well done. The door and the space here. So for this wall, you can be able to put up your TV. In terms of the curtains, you see they are tucked in there, so you're able to put them from up there to all the way to the floor. This is an excellent room. it's huge. And for the cabinets, of course, they are excellently done and they are huge. Now that is the first bedroom. It can be a guest bedroom, can be an office for you. And so going on to the second, this is the primary bedroom. Now this is going to be your second bedroom. In terms of lighting, you have a ton of lights, you have your window there as well, and this is going to be your washroom. Now in terms of the washroom, you have your vanity here, your mirror here, and your shower cubicle there. In terms of the shower, it's the same as the other one that you are able to see. You have your toilet seat there in some gray dark colors. You know, the thing about dark colors is they make a place, they make especially the washrooms, they look lovely, they look excellent once you do them with the dark colors. Now this is going to be your bedroom number 2, and you can see you have a lot of storage. The lighting, I've already commented on that, and this seems to be a little bit bigger than the other one. You can be able to put up your TV on that side. You have a small seat there. You can also use that space as a place for work. You can set up your table there and use that as your workstation. If you are somebody who likes working from home, this can also be your guest bedroom, or if you have children, this can be the boys' room or the girls' room. It can be anything that you want it to be. Now let's head to the master. And in terms of the master bedroom, lighting is well done. You have a huge window for tons of light coming in, and that is where your shower, your washroom is going to be. You have cabinets here. No, actually this is smaller, so this means this is a second bedroom, and that is the primary room that we just came from, because it seems a little bit bigger than this one. So you have storage here, your cabinets here, you also have your window here. It is still under construction. And in terms of the washroom, let me show you what we have. Again, the dark colors makes the place look very, very excellent. Again, continue choosing that because it's going to make your place look very, very lovely. Now you have some sockets here in case you want to attach a blow dryer, shaver. You have that to use. This is your vanity. The top, it's excellent. It's silver though. I'd choose a black. I'd choose a black top. Basically, like I said, dark things make everything look great. Now that's your toilet. This is your shower cubicle. So this is the second bedroom, and yeah, that's how it looks. The lighting, and this is your view coming from this second bedroom. This is going to be your primary room in terms of how huge it is. You can see the shower, it's a bit bigger than the other ones. Your vanity are right there. So yeah, you have a lot more storage there. You have side by side drawers, his and hers, and it's well done, although you're not going to get sockets on both sides. But hey, this is the standard 3-bedroom, and for how they have actually done it, it is great. And the thing about this one, it's already taken actually. A lot of people are coming for these properties. They're taking it. It's a huge and great deal. A 3-bedroom for 13 million. It is an excellent deal, especially with the road. The highway is 100 meters away. The mall is 100 meters away. You have the field that is coming up there, so it's good for business. It's good for all those things. Now that has been the tour of the 3-bedroom. Again, the common washroom. This is the living room. That is it. Let me see you in the next video.